Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? How you doing today? I'm doing great, thanks for asking. My voice just squeaked because I'm apparently still going through puberty. Anyway, I am super excited. I had a busy day today. I had an open house for a client today. I'm also a realtor. If you're in Orlando, Central Florida area and you need a realtor, let me know, I'm your guy. And I'm going to an auction tonight that is specifically for collectibles. There's all sorts of stuff there. I'm really pumped. There's like Star Trek stuff, there's NASCAR stuff, Harley Davidson stuff, baseball cards, basketball cards, and lots more Disney stuff. All the stuff that I'm really interested in, everything that really like hits the top of my list for things that I can resell on eBay. Now the auction is kind of like eBay. You go and you bid on stuff in person and other people bid against you, and then they charge 10% premium on whatever you paid. So if I buy something for $100, I gotta pay $110, and you know, but it's still worth it. I've gotten some good deals at this place before. I've been once or twice, but I haven't been to one of the collectibles, one of their collectible auctions. So I'm really pumped for this. Hoping to get some good items tonight. There was a vintage pinball machine I'm really interested in. I really doubt I'll get it, but you never know. All right, we are in St. Cloud. We are about a couple streets away from the auction house. I just want to get in. It's 5:58, so I got about an hour before the auction starts, which is perfect because I wanted to be able to get in there, kind of look at everything, browse, look up some stuff on eBay, and I can also scope out the competition. So I got my Drew League shirt on. Ain't nobody in the Drew League except me. So I'm gonna make sure all the items that I want, I'm gonna get. All right, so we just showed up. This is the back door right here. They got the sign out that says auction tonight at 7. I'm gonna go around to the front, check everything out. Let's do it. There's so much awesome stuff here. I'm so pumped. Look at all these signs. Whoa, look at all of them. I don't even know how to filter through those. There's so many. The NASCAR is real. Here. I can't wait. This is in television too, with tons of games. So cool. Some Marvel role-playing cards. Got all sorts of stuff. Mini action figures. Look at all these. How do you even bid on this? Marvel heroes, clocks, old radios. Starship Enterprise, Super Nintendo, baseball cards. Alright guys, I'm going to filter through all this stuff and try to make a list of a couple things that I want to bid on, but I'm so excited. This is going to be epic. Some Super Nintendo games here. Turtles in Time. Jam. Mario Kart. Mortal Kombat. Alright, so Paula was saying that she didn't want to be in the video. She just asked that I keep her out of it. But I said, hey, she's getting me a seat up front and she's getting me the hookup, so that's super awesome. And I get to talk to Woody, the owner of the auction, later at the end of the night. Do a little interview with him, which is pretty cool. Paula gave me some tips and tricks to not bid right away. She said make sure you let the numbers go down and then bid up. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna sit right next to her. I got my eye on some video games. I got my eye on some Marvel stuff. So I'm pretty pumped. I'm gonna go grab a hot dog real quick and then I'm gonna get into the auction.
The horse How about 10 to go? We got 10 here, gonna be 10. How about 5, 4, 3, $2? Anybody want to be 2? Now 3. $2 it is, buyer 100. On John's little scooter. How about 20 to go? We got 10 here, gonna be 20. How about 10? $5. Anybody 5, $3 bear. Anybody 3, 4? Anybody 4? $3 it is, buyer number 100. Last number 5, so that's 5 here, now 7, now 7, now 750. $5 it is, buyer number 50. So 25, 80, 25, and 5, $10. When you get 10, you're gonna be 10, $5 wear. 85, 7, 7, 10, 12, and 12, 15. Now 79, 79, and 20. So now 5. And you get 5, and 5, and 5, 20, and 5. $20 it is, buyer 290. Alright, on the John Wayne, they're gonna have to keep it in play. I think we go. It is like. Sorry,
Right out.
340. I think we go. Take not 25. 80, 25, and 5, $10. We get 10, 10, we get 10, 10, we get 10. You have 10? I have 5. Now 10. We get 10, 10, we get 10, 5, and 10. Anybody want to be $10? 10, 15. 10 here, now 15, anybody 15. $10 it is, buyer number. How about 10 to go? We get 10, 10, gonna be 10. How about 5, 4, 3, $2, 2, 3, anybody want to be 3? $2 it is, buyer number. James, come here. This one's not loaded, that's yours. Alright. I'm gonna go into crystals and come with the box, and again, the reserve has been lowered on them. How about 1,500 to go? 15, how about 1,000? And 1,000, how about 7? Maybe 7, how about 6? We go 6 and 6, 500. And 5, and 5, and 5. I'm gonna cut to the chase. It takes $900. Yes, no?
Alright, here's my haul. Got some Steins, some graded race cars. Got this Dodgers lunchbox, some Star Trek stuff, poker set. I'm tired. I'm ready to go home. How about you? Got some basketball cards. No, that's okay. Guys, it's getting dark out. I'm loading up my stuff, but I got some awesome finds today. I got a Marble World poker set. I got some Star Trek stuff in the box. I got all these die-cast NASCARs right here. Really nice condition. I got a baseball tin. I got a bunch of basketball cards. I got these awesome DC Hero Clicks, and I got a bunch of beer Stein mugs that I'm gonna go pick up right now. I'm about to roll out. I got my trunk full of stuff, which I'm super pumped about. Once I get home, I'm gonna list it all. I can easily make probably 10 times what I paid on all this stuff. I spent about 170 bucks, and some of the stuff is going for $100 for one item that I bought. So pretty pumped, and you can see my trunk is full to the brim with stuff. Leave a like on the video, comment below if you thought the auction was awesome and what you saw that you liked. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for coming along with me. I'll see you next time. Peace, money!